Hi, today I will be showing you how to download song on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser, and then this time you have to look for Studio or YouTube Studio. Now here you will have two options, but I recommend to continue to Studio here on your web. Make sure also that you have signed in to your correct account right here. Here on your YouTube Studio, you have to tap on or look for this music icon right here, probably the last icon. And what you're going to do is you have to look for the specific song that you want to download. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So let me tap on this music library here on YouTube. Now, if you're looking for a specific song that can be found here on your YouTube Studio library, you can just basically search for that song, but not really the trending and popular song. So here are the songs that you can download here on your YouTube. So you just have to look for the download option. The download option could be on the right side. And what you're going to do is tap on download, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see that it is now starting to download. To open that, you just have to click open file right here or go to your download folder. And basically that's it. You can download more songs here on YouTube library for free. So that's how you easily download song on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.